Moving on to the practical part is how to replace a particular text. First of all, finding a text and then replacing it. So, as you are able to see on the screen, you are able to see a sentence DELHI is the capital of India. I have written it many times, but the spelling is wrong of Delhi. So, what I require? First of all, I require to search that particular thing. In order to search the thing, I require to go on edit. I will be going on find and replace. I will be going on edit. I will be going on find and replace. As soon as you are able to go on find and replace, you will be able to see two text boxes over here. First is find and then it is replace. So I'm going on find. Remember, find should be a word that should be present in your document. So what is present in the document? Dell. I will be replacing Dell by Delhi. Now if I match cases means what? Over here D is small and in the word D is assumed to be a D is written in capital, so it won't find that particular Dell. So hence I require to replace this particular thing, that is match cases and match regular expressions. I'm going to just click on help in order to see what help they are providing to us over here. This is nothing but a Google help form which replaces or which helps to search, which helps us how to search a particular document. So I'm just untaking that particular part. Now there is an option replace all previous and next. I'm clicking on replace. As soon as I click on replace, only one Delhi is replaced. Now I click on next. Next Delhi will be replaced. See, the thing which has selected is only replace, but you are able to see an option over here, replace all. When I click on replace all, the entire thing will be replaced. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Now, since again I have done a spelling mistake, that is DELHI, and over here some places it is DELH double I. Over here you are able to see. So there is one more option by pressing Control F from the keyboard. Control F from the keyboard, you will be able to see over here find in the document. You are able to see three dots. Go on the three dots and the box will get again open. So I'm just selecting this particular thing. I'm writing in the find box and I will be replacing all DELH double I with DELHI. And the shortcut key, there are two shortcut keys, one is Control F and other is Control H. As soon as you are able to press Control H, the box will automatically get open. But if you are pressing Control F, you will get a box like this and you have to go for the three dots, that is more option, and then you will be able to see the box.